Some of our first looks here at the, I think this is the swap meet part of the show.
Yeah. It's the guys from the tire commercial. Oh, I forget what.
Oh yeah, Michelin.
Yeah, the Michelin Man. That's funny.
Cool.
Ooh, that Nashville sign is awesome.
Oh, it is.
That's really cool.
We have fun to Nashville.
Yeah. I like that a lot.
What about this dinosaur?
That would go really well
With our house?
if we had a music room or something.
Yeah.
Why did you say Nashville on your house?
I don't know what Trump is doing down here, but it's hilarious.
I feel like I'm gonna find something non-car related here that's just gonna be completely random.
That you want?
Yeah. Fix it up.
Here's a cow.
I think it's a long one.
Found this really cool Nirvana sign. Definitely an odd thing to see in Florida.
Yeah, they're like, well, don't need these anymore.
Some snowshoes.
We can help you folks, let me know.
Very cool. This is really awesome. It's like a tricycle rocking horse. That's really cool. Cool looking army hats.
Well, there's more like your size surf right there.
Found these cool benches. It's not a bad price either. $1,600 for them.
I can't afford it. But they're pretty sweet. They're pretty cool. That'd be awesome to have something like that.
Right? Or this.
Old fuel pump.
Oh, these are cool. They're desks.
Oh wow.
You can tell. That's really cool. So like the outside of your desk?
Showing up in these car shows as desks and everything
Like
else.
that? That's really cool. And then it's a desk on the other side. That's so cool. There's the price. It's pretty cool. A little big boy. And I believe this guy's name's Ratfink. I only know that because my friend used to have a tattoo of him.
Cindy found something she wants. A rocking horse the same size as her.
It's so cool. Have you ever seen one so big?
I have not. I doubt many people have. Let's see what's in this 50-cent bin. Oh, look, we can get a NASCAR for our wall. A NAS truck. That'd be a cool souvenir to have. It's actually a tin. It opens up. It's kind of nice. That's pretty awesome. I don't know what you put in there, but that's a pretty cool tin. I might get this. You found this sign? Jeff Gordon?
Well, the same number thing.
NASCAR number 24. Look at this, is not even open. You probably know this is more than I do if this is worth anything, but I would think that if it was worth something. Yeah, look at that old Batman lunchbox. I feel like some of this stuff's gotta be worth something. I mean, they're all scratched up, but some of these, like this, is not even open yet. Should we just buy it all and then like see it? Hopefully we'll make some money on it later. Gotta be something in here worth more than 50 cents.
If you want to carry it to the car.
Wow. An old X-Men watch. That's pretty old.
Maybe. Yeah,
Collect,
1990.
it says collect them all.
Like the old Burger King toys.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Racing Champions. 50th anniversary. NASCAR Racing Transportation Team. Vroom. What is that?
I don't know. A steering wheel? Sprint.
Is it open? Is there,
No,
is it
I don't know.
something in the box?
Well, yeah, I'm not gonna open it.
Oh. Huh. Looks like a wallet. Some pencils.
Old pencils.
Dang.
Or I guess maybe just someone that smokes too. I don't know.
What?
It might not be old. It might just
Oh, yeah. Possible.
Valentine's 10.
I still kind of want this.
He was just gonna use it as a base to
We
put
can get
other
that.
stuff on. So.
But it'd be really hard to carry. It's the only thing is, I want to get this, but then I have to carry it like until I go. Yeah. Ooh, I see something I like.
Everything in this
A regular.
is 50 cents.
Okay.
All right, cool.
What do you like?
a regular Nintendo over there.
Oh god. Probably like more money. Train.
Some model
pieces.
train stuff. Tracks and some towns. And a box full of trains in here.
Look at that. Oh.
It's an old like fire truck. Lots and lots of cool stuff here. Tools. This place has lots of really cool steel signs. These cup holders. Sorry.
You see these? They hold a shot glass and a wine stem will fit in there too, and the beer can.
Really?
65 on this version and 50
yeah.
on this. The eyeballs hold a shot glass on these.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, we make everything here.
Wow, that's awesome.
Thank you.
That's pretty cool.
The Detroit Speed Coach.
It's hard to like see on camera because you can see through the other side, but it's old Thunderbird sign.
I really like these. They're awesome.
Yeah, those are really cool. I like the skull one where you put the shot glasses in his eyes. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, if we had a yard,
Little hands hold the beer can.
If we had a yard, I'd buy one.
Yeah. Awesome. So they have cars for sale here as well, not just car show. I think anybody can bring whatever car they want to sell. I've seen some cars here for $1,000 or $2,000, just some old beaters. So it doesn't have to be a show car or anything like that. Oh, it looks like you can buy just the hands.
And so I can pay them their royalties. Yeah. Free. You know, let me go grab a different one because I can't even
I
sell
think
them.
there's some right here.
Some business card holders. That's pretty cool. So this is the name of the person, the company that builds those cups and beer holders and all those steel signs. Speed Cult, Detroit. I assume they're out of Detroit. Look at this. custom brass knuckles.
Something Caitlin would like.
Yeah.
Or the brass knuckles.
Oh, look at it. We got a Sasquatch.
Bigfoot.
I can hang him from
Like
something.
$6.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
There you go.
Some tiki guys over here. Look at these old Schwinn bikes. That's crazy. The shifter is on the center. That's pretty cool. Those are super old school. I spotted a stool over here. Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Oh, that's cool.
There's your Burger King sign.
That'd be really cool to have. I don't know why, but it'd be cool.
Some like bolt trays, like
Turkish
What are you
cigarettes.
asking for the green? First, the green one is sold, the other one's 1200.
cooler.
20 for 15. Well, might not be cents. There's a Welch's grape juice one.
Yeah.
My favorite juice.
Oh, a box full of Zippos.
And a turtle.
You never know what you're gonna find here.
Box full of dinosaurs.
Why not? Some oil filters. Some Budweiser cups. Oh wow, yeah, some old McDonald's cups. Holy cow. Dang. I remember this hamburger guy. It's so weird looking, but is that what it was? Look at E.T.
And the chicken nugget guy? I
Where?
don't know why he's purple, but I think it's the chicken nugget guy.
It doesn't look like a chicken nugget to me, but supposedly Roy Jones is boxing glove.
Whoever that is. Do you know who that is?
Yeah, he's a boxer. And since we're in Daytona Beach, there's like surfboards. Every 15 feet you go, there's someone selling a surfboard. That's pretty cool.
The planter's nutcracker.
Right in the middle of the speedway. This is so cool.
Hear me?
What?
The planter's
Oh, yeah.
nutcracker.
Oh, fishing lures.
I want this board. Because no sharks will get it.
Maybe in a little bit.
Well, if that's all it takes is a sticker. Give me a sticker. I need to put one on my board.
That's crazy. It's like actual tune.
Yeah. Customized coffin. Pay for your death up front. Some old beer cans. Michelin Man again. Some old signs. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That Ford sign down there.
But basically, the main idea is it doesn't absorb, so you never have to rinse it.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm just pushing the water off, shaking it down. And it's so flexible. It's going to get into some but it
Oh,
goes
dang.
down with my finger.
and they're $18?
Yes. Wraps around the curves. That's completely dry now.
Dang.
Oh, wow.
Saves a lot of time for people that use towels or shampoo.
Yeah.
You never have to wring it out. There's no lint, there's no swirls. There's a lot of benefits to it. You want to give it a try?
Sure.
See, if you feel that, that's strong. It's all the pressure you need to dry.
Yeah.
Basically, just kiss us and serve.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Big ground glass. Window spots on the shower, toothpaste on a mirror. Use whatever glass cleaner you want. Chemicals don't hurt it. Turn it over and use the handle side as a scrubber.
Okay.
Doesn't absorb, so that's just laying on the surface.
Oh wow.
Wipe it off, and then go ahead and throw it out.
Dry your whole car
Very
off
cool.
in a minute.
No streaks. Because it's not absorbing anything, it's pushing everything ahead. It's a lot of uses for it.
Doesn't absorb.
Thank you very much. Indian motorcycle car.
This is
There's just so much here that there's absolutely no way we can show you everything.
Yeah,
Like-
come out for yourself and take a look.
Yeah, we found out it does go on tomorrow, so
She's only $5.
It's only $5
She's like right here.
yeah.
But she is.
This is kind of cool. It's a perfume-o-matic. Deposit proper coins, stand close to spray on dress, handkerchiefs, hair, gloves, etc. So you'd put your coin in and then press the button and it would spray you. That's
Watch where you put your face.
I've never seen that before. That's something different for sure. Huh. So I really think this is more of a swap meet than it is the car show. Like, don't you think there's more swap meet stuff than there's cars?
I don't know. I mean, it's kind of half and half.
But it's like cars for sale, not like.
Right.
But here's some license plates, car parts.
$5. The little horses?
Oh. See the whole, yeah. I don't know.
Looks like it.
Some horses.
Yeah, it's hard to tell the knockoff.
I seen Mickey and Donald, so I had to veer off our path here and take a look. Some pretty cool photographs here. Cool, like bar signs. I guess is what you'd call them, right?
Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess. Something to hang up in the garage.
Garage
I
signs.
assume they plug in since they have bulbs.
Yeah.
I bet they look pretty awesome.
Like they're $65, which ain't bad at all.
No.
Barber. Oh, this one's cool.
But just so you know,
Okay, so we were just told that these are all LED bulbs and they run on batteries, so you don't have to worry about cords to mess with.
I normally don't tell people I can do it, but I can. California.
This cold beer sign's cool.
Nothing. Oh, that is your background.
Here's a better look at like where all the ambulance is
Ambulance
are for races. So it must be like their medic area. And there's like a lap meter. The seats look like Legos, so it's crazy. Thank you for joining us today on CAB Adventures. As we're at the Daytona 31st Annual Turkey Run Car Show and Swap Meet.
Yeah, it's been a great time.
Hot, very hot.
Very hot. You can feel the heat coming off the pavement. But there was lots to see. I definitely recommend coming out, taking a look for yourself, because we weren't able to show you everything. There's just so much going on.
Tomorrow it's only $5
Yeah, there's a lot to see.
and you're like literally on the racetrack, which is insane. I mean, maybe they do this often, I don't know. But for us, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's been fun.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Share if you want to help us get more followers. And we will see you next time on CAB Adventures.
Bye.
Bye. to love.